Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. And we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has categorized Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 8.39%. This equates to an average return of 2.8% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 43.43% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns estimated between 34.02% and 76.30%. In terms of the longer outlook, our analysis for the 12-month period projects a change of about 29.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 2% and 126.06% over the next year. In today's values, this would translate to a future price range of approximately $314.76 to $697.59. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Tesla stock after gaining 4.55%. The Tesla stock price increased 4.55% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. It rose from $295.14 to $308.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.92%, with a day low at $281.85 and a day high of $309.80. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 9.06% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 26 million shares, totaling 135 million shares traded for approximately $41.72 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume in the context of rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54. While the lowest was $167.41. Currently, the price is 36.84%, or $179.96, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla stock continues to face significant challenges as of June 9th, 2025. The ongoing feud between CEO Elon Musk and former President Donald Trump has raised concerns among investors, with a recent poll indicating that nearly 45% believe Musk should be removed from his position. This turmoil is contributing to negative sentiment surrounding the brand, particularly as Tesla has slipped into the bottom tier of earnings per share performance within the S&P 500, raising alarm over demand and potential brand damage. Meanwhile, the impending launch of Tesla's highly anticipated robotaxi this week provides a glimmer of hope, yet the atmosphere remains clouded by fears of repercussions related to Musk's political ties. Analysts are divided. While some remain optimistic about Tesla's long-term value, recent downgrades and price target reductions reflect skepticism about future sales, particularly following reports of a steep decline in European sales and surplus inventory, including significant quantities of unsold Cybertrucks. The potential impact of U.S.-China trade relations and government tax incentives also looms large over Tesla's future. The uncertainty regarding tariff implications and federal electric vehicle purchase incentives could hamper sales, forcing the company to alter pricing strategies if costs rise. In the short term, these challenges may suppress Tesla's stock price, reflecting investor unease. However, if the robotaxi launch is successful and leads to broader acceptance of autonomous ride-hailing services, we could see a rebound. Long-term growth hinges on the execution of ambitious projects like the Cybertruck and Tesla's advancements in artificial intelligence. Although the competitive landscape is increasingly fierce, the stakes are high for Tesla. Its ability to innovate while navigating these political and economic challenges will ultimately shape its valuation in the years to come. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of May 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock an overall sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may affect its short-term trajectory. Currently, Tesla stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $321.98 and $309.40. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025. And so far, the stock has declined by approximately 14.97%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MAC. 0. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 83 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 31 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average reflected a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, if Tesla breaks the support at $284.70, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $27.95 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.92%. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 8.54%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, The next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 430 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Tanuja Vaibhav, who bought and sold a total of 13,500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.660. In total, insiders acquired 1,104,334 shares and sold 3,759,868 shares in these last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock exhibits several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we expect Tesla to open lower by $8.50, starting at $300.08. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.